Welcome to the second Unity tutorial. We are going to learn how to place a video in a wall. First of all, we select the main camera, but the main camera is not pointing to the wall, so we have to move the main camera. Here I select the main camera, is pointing to the other side of the other wall, so I change the degrees here 180, and I change the position of the camera to focus to the wall. Now I change how it's focusing, and now I can adjust the position of the camera to see the painting that we had before. Now we are going to move to place a video in the wall near to the painting. Now I press play and you can see what's focusing the camera. The camera is focusing the painting and also a space in the wall. Now in Canvas I'm going to create a new canvas here. Here this canvas I change because I have to put it in wall space, and now this canvas is going to contain the video. So I place the sides of the video, okay, here to the canvas, and now I move it to the wall, near the wall, in front of the wall. And now I move the canvas, the video canvas, near the painting. I position it here. Okay, very good. It's near the painting. Now the video is going to be shown here, near the painting. And the next thing we are going to create is a panel that is inside the canvas here. And now a raw image that is going to contain the video and with the size of the video. So I change the size on the right to the size of the video that we are going to show in the wall. But look at this. Here we can see that it's not in the center of the canvas, so I have to change this to 0 and 0, and now it's in the center of the canvas. And now in assets I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it video, where I'm going to place to import the video that I have from the picture of Las Meninas. After that we are going to create a video texture that can manage the video. So here I create this new render texture. I give it now in the right, I give it the size of the video. Okay, here and here 1080. And now I'm going to select the raw image and I'm going to drag inside the texture of the raw image the video texture that I created before. And now in Canvas I'm going to insert a video player that we need to play the video. Okay, and this video player should have the same size of our video. So here I change the width and the height of the video. But here in video clip I need to put the video, to insert the video. So I select the video and I select video player and I drag the video to this box here. Okay, very good. In video clip I have the video, and in video texture I drag here in the target texture our video texture. So I have to configure the video player. As you can see, we can see the video now in the wall, but okay, it's reverse, so we have to change the orientation. So I select the canvas, and now in the y-axis I change to 180, and now the video is correct. To control our video, we must insert the play and the pause button. So here in user interface I select the button, and now I want to show play in the button text. So I change the name of the button, play, and with the button selected I press F key and I zoom into the button. So I have here my button, zooming out and moving the button down to the video. Now I should make the size higher, so I change the size of the button to 260. And now I have to link the button with the video. So here I drag the video player to here, to this box, and now it appears this function, play. So now the video player is linked to the button, and now I can play the video. Now I'm going to duplicate the button to make the pause button. So I change the name, and also I change here the text that is going to appear in the button, in the middle of the button. I change the size because now I can see it better, and I move the button but not the text. I should move all the button. So here I move the button to the right. Now I'm going to change also the size of the font of play. Now I can see play and pause correctly. And now I'm going to change the function that works when I click the button, that is going to be pause. And let's check it, how it works. The pause and the play. The video is playing, I pause the video, and let's play. So it works correctly. But I have to change an option that the video doesn't start immediately, only when I click the play button. And that's all, friends. I see you in the next Unity tutorial.